Welcome to video number 5 on this 1957 Porsche 356A restoration. In this one, we just finished getting the transmission out in the previous video, and I had, there's a couple different forums of folks who are working on 356s, and the 356 registry. I had one of the members there also had a 1957, which a complete car but unrestored, and kind of a preservation class car, and he was missing a piece of insulation on the in the engine bay of his car, and I said, well, I've got to, I'm going to be sandblasting this entire car, so I'm taking off all my original insulation for sandblasting. So I will, see if I can get some bigger pieces to send him so he could make a patch for his car. So I'm using heat and trying to get this insulation off. The insulation gets soft before the tar behind it gets real soft, so it's a little difficult to get it off in one piece. Anyway, we're going to see me working on that here, and eventually I decide to move inside the car and heat the firewall to try and help get this stuff removed, or at least removed in big enough pieces to do some good. And so we've got a little of that going on here, and then the next thing we'll be looking at is we removed the rear window because I'm worried it's going to break from the heat once I start working inside. And then the other thing we will do is play with the sunroof. We had somebody else on the forums with a manual sunroof and some questions about the linkages that make it work, and I had curiosity if I was going to be able to get it open, if it was going to be complete and functional. So that's what we're working on in this video. Thanks for following along.
Oh, it's a serial number. Costs a little more than I think it should, but there's a handle for the sunroof. The question will be, is that little square too much of a circle anymore for it to work? Looks like it's rounded out a little bit. We'll see. There we go. Pop. Here, let's see. What is? Oh, nice stuff.